What's up, guys? In this episode, I'll be showing you the hardware wallets keep your coins safe. Hardware wallets aren't free, but the price can be worth it if you earn a significant amount of Bitcoin. A hardware wallet will protect a few hundred in Bitcoin, just as effectively as a few million. How hardware wallets work. Hardware wallets are secure offline devices. They store your private keys offline so they can't be hacked. This means you can even use one on a malware-infected computer. There are other questions such as why a hardware wallet with a screen is important. Bitcoin hardware wallet comparison. These are wallets that can keep your Bitcoin safe. Ledger Nano S Trezor Keep Key. The screen, correct. These are the released 2016, 2013, and 2015. Price 79 cents, $99 and $99. You can also find more on the WeScoins website because I'm going to end the video right here. So there are over 150 pages that you can read on the WeScoins website. So go and click that right now in the description box. And thanks for watching. Again, bye Bitcoin Worldwide.